Hello dear viewers, in front of me as Oppo A77s phone. Now today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. If you want to open SIM eject card, for this first you have to find the SIM line and third time you need to a pin is used to open SIM tray. Phone head the pin is holding right now. Push it in and as you can see the tray just come out overflow slightly. Push again and open your phone SIM card, SD card or full SIM tray. And you see now my phone SIM card tray is now open. And if you want to use SIM card, this phone supported two SIMs. First one SIM and second two SIMs, and third time use SD card or SD card storage. So if you want to again put this tray, you just set up SIM card, memory card and SD card, and you just put this SIM tray and restart your phone and show your phone SIM card and SD card is